Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to unlock a group chat on WhatsApp Web using the latest update. If you've been wondering how to access your locked group chats on your PC, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser. You can do this by visiting whatsapp.com and linking your account using the QR code scanner on your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats displayed on the screen. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the chat list. Click on it to activate it. Here's where the magic happens. Enter the secret code associated with your locked chats. This code is essential for accessing any locked conversations, so make sure you have it handy. After entering the secret code, you'll gain access to the locked chats. Scroll through until you find the group chat you want to unlock. Once inside the locked chats, right-click on the group you wish to unlock. A menu will appear with several options. Select Unlock Chat. At this point, you'll be prompted to re-enter the secret code. Type it in carefully and then click on Continue. If the code matches, the group chat will be unlocked and you'll have full access to its contents. And that's it. You've successfully unlocked a group chat on WhatsApp Web. This feature ensures that your private conversations remain secure while giving you control over when and how they're accessed. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring WhatsApp Web's latest features.